time I pierce this high ponytail. Do you all ask about tutorials? I just wanted to draw a dude today. This high ponytail of silk. Makeup, we are a service from makeup and hairstyle. I'll hurry up and apply some cotton sheets. Let's stack a little of this bubble mask on a cotton sheet. I don't really use this, but I sent it to a makeup artist last time. I think it makes sense. Let's try it. Or use this cotton sheet to clean it a little bit. Because this makeup is that kind of powder as a whole. Then you come and adjust the color before applying a pink makeup. This face suddenly lit up, and you come directly to a Korean air cushion, the shinier one. Take a look at this base makeup today. Meow meow. Then we'll brighten it with a pink and white one. The whole face should be full. Pinch the pink cloth and pat it open. Look at the difference. I think blush is very important for this makeup. We'll just use blush cream. It feels softer. It also exudes the natural ruddy feeling of the skin. And this one is double-headed. Let's start with a matte map. Our nose. Come a little bit, 2 strands outside here, come a little bit. Give him a little smudge. Take a look at it open. It's this feeling of being stylish and looking good. Then I chose a gray pink rose color. I think it's just that I don't pick my skin color very much. Most sisters, it looks good and then it goes up and down here. Then our soul came and it was this water light. This end can be done by hand. Gently superimpose it on the tip of the pen and the inside of our cheekbones. Look at this gloss, it's beautiful, isn't it? And this color, it's the transparent peach powder. It looks big and full and super sweet. Here's a brush and I think this. The 2 colors match like this. It looks like the blush is very layered and I like it very much. Then come and fix your face. This mandibular line. Give him a clean cut. The whole embroidery looks like this. Then I still use a brush to show him. Fix this eyebrow part a little bit. Use this forehead. Like a dark brown. Fill in the gaps in the eyebrows. If it is whole, it is a flat eyebrow. Then there is a little sagging feeling. Let's go with another grayish brown. Unify this color. Wow, eye makeup is easier. Let's use this color first. The overall choice is a kind of ash pink rose plate. Then darker this color. Fill it in with a lighter color. More obvious grip pen. Take a look at this AGSL is not bad, it's quite plump. I found you so gently clipped. It feels better. Lift the gap between our inner eyeliner. Ladies, take a look at this eyelash. I posted this whole one. It was cut and pasted. Actually, I think the effect of this and segmentation, almost too much. If there is a segment, you can use the segment directly, which is more convenient. Draw this eyeliner and divide down first. Then go up. Feel. Eyeliner in this way can actually reduce eye odor, because do it first. Nice for lower eyelashes. We'll just brush it ourselves. Mascara simply pluck eyelashes. Change them to pure medium and segmented ones, which look better. You really don't have to work hard to cut that false eyelashes. I'm dripping this blush again. Pretty. This water feels beautiful. Let's brighten up the noodles. The bridge of the original nose should be brightened, because the nose is really tall. Let's deepen the grooming part. I brighten my eyes with a beige one. These still need to be unified. I'll use this Dongao and this matte end first. Bottom your mouth. It's more sensual with a little cover. Lip beads here. Fold him. Pretty white, this color. You can stack other colors. A deeper, purple.